What's up guys, Shugbricks here, back with a review of the LEGO Technic Ford Raptor. The set number is 42126, it's recommended for ages 18 plus, and contains 1,379 pieces. This set retails for $100 in the US. This was a blast to build, and I can't wait to show you all the details of the truck. Let's get right into it. The front looks very menacing, with a unfortunately stickered grille and lights. If you open the hood, you can see a 6-cylinder engine, and when you roll it, pistons move up and down. On the side, there are opening doors with seats inside, bench in the back, and the mirrors are movable as well. The knob on top helps you to steer the vehicle. And unfortunately, the steering is not connected to the steering wheel. You have a nice functioning opening tailgate with a sticker on the back and stickered lights, which are very hard to line up. Also, a stickered Michigan license plate on the back. The other side is identical. Opening doors and opposable mirror. Inside is a nice control panel and a screen in the middle. Flipping it over, we can see a very detailed undercarriage. And now, the shocks. As you can see, the Ford Raptor is built at a slight slant, giving it more of a menacing look. And finally, the roll test. The knobby tires provide a little resistance, but it rolls pretty good. Overall, would I recommend this set? Yes. It's a very engaging build, has authentic details to the real truck, and contains many cool features such as the suspension and moving pistons. Great job, LEGO. Well, there you have it, everyone. This is my review of the LEGO Technic Ford Raptor. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. Also, remember to share this video and comment below what your favorite LEGO Technic set is. See y'all in the next one.
Yeah.